Hello, Spider Friend. It's me, Spider Friend, and welcome to Ratchet and Clank. Sorry it's been so long I made another video. A bunch of stuff been happening to my family. I'll be quiet now.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
Oops, sorry guys. Oh, the TV screen is okay. Sorry guys. The look a little blurry and sorry. 1 minute guys. That all. Guys, you gotta fly. Sorry. Okay. Sorry everybody. Okay.
Welcome to
Just a second. So, this is Ratchet and Clank. Yeah. Okay. All fine. I did first thing they said to do good. Cause I had to do some work soon. Some laundry soon. So I'm gonna do one planet. That's it. This planet. And this is gonna be a short video. So you like Ratchet and Clank? You want me to keep doing this series? Yeah, I'm gonna think of putting this as a series. Yeah, I'm not smash yet.
That's metal.
I'm on point. Yeah, 1 minute mark already. So, you like Ratchet and Clank? Hit that. And I'll do more Ratchet and Clank. You had another idea for a game? Go for it. I'll play it. I only think of playing Pyro. Oh wait, I keep. Like, why is he not using his bombs he got when he started the game? Sorry guys, I know it,
To use your bomb glove, press the circle button to equip it.
I'm sorry I'm so jittery. I heard everything's doing fine. This video don't come out still Steven. Kind of being sure to killing them in the ranch. It could be a restaurant. Do you want me to be it? Like, it's already failed. I already used bombs. So, yep. So this video gonna be short because I can't finish every planet in like 20 minutes.
Interesting. You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of
Earth.
my race, the blog, have a small problem.
Oh,
Our
sorry.
planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Dreg, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting
Yeah,
a large
that's a little
portion of
better.
your planet and adding it
Sorry,
to
guy.
our new one. Unfortunately, this
Unfortunately,
change in mass will
no
cause your
new
planet
room
to
because
spin out of
my
control
room
and
had
drift into
internet
the
right
sun,
now.
where it will
Got my
explode
little
into a
nephew.
flaming ball of gas. But of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this
guys.
infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
Sorry, you can't read the word. Right now it's blurry. I need
This
this.
could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is B54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
To Earth.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny.
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Okay. I'm gonna end that. And dead.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Okay. If you like this video, hit the like button. Okay, bye. Peace out. Why did I say that?